Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Twitter. The report was first published on our website April 6, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Twitter for the upcoming trading day on Thursday 7th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Twitter performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Twitter stock currently holds a 0.929 score, and our system has ranked Twitter buy or hold candidate since March 16, 2022. If you were following our analysis you would have had an amazing gain of 43.51% since we first told you to buy Twitter 16 days ago. This is an average return of 2.72% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Twitter our last headline reads, weaker technical forecast for Twitter Inc. as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. The Twitter Inc. stock price fell by -0.44% on the last day, Wednesday, April 6, 2022, from $50.99 to $50.76. During the day the stock fluctuated 7.24% from a day low at $49.30 to a day high of $52.87. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 33.58% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -55 million shares and in total, 157 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.98 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $73.34, and the lowest price was $31.30. Right now the price is 30.79%, or $22.58, below 52-week high and 37.14%, or $29.99, below all-time high February 25, 2021 where the price hit $80.75. The Twitter stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $51.04 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 7.29% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -26.86% and 9.86%. The 12-month trend indicates a -40.61% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -63.64% and -38.54%. This equals a price between $18.46 and $31.20 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Tuesday, February 15, 2022 Wells Fargo set target to $70 to $42. On Friday, February 11, 2022 Barclays set target to $64 to $34. From analysts, Twitter stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the Twitter stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Twitter. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Twitter Inc. stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $44.20 and $37.10. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, April 5, 2022, and so far it has fallen -0.44%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 14 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Twitter. Twitter Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $49.93, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.57 between high and low, or 7.24%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.82%. Next upcoming earnings report for Q2 2022 is expected to be released July 20, 2022. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Twitter meets first resistance at $50.99. If you do not hold Twitter shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Twitter finds first level of support at $49.93, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $49.61, $48.77, $47.41. Sell at $52.34, $53.18, $54.55. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Twitter is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On April 1, 2022, Caldwell Nick V. made an inside sell of 10,741 of common stock. On March 22, 2022, Caden Robert made an inside buy of 105,960 of common stock. On March 8, 2022, Siegel Ned D. made an inside sell of 5,000 of common stock. On March 1, 2022, Agrawal Parag made an inside sell of 6,823 of common stock. On March 1, 2022, Agrawal Parag made an inside buy of 13,761 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 67.918. In total, the insiders bought 3,346,636 and sold 657,655 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $48.99, minus 3.49%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 84, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is Twitter stock a buy? Twitter Inc. holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 7th, we expect Twitter to open up 22 cents and start trading at $50.98. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.